have an over-the-bumper intake with just a piston actuator that brings it in and out into this sloped hopper.
26 rebuild shooter. It features 4 of these flywheels up here on this top shaft, and then 4 smaller 3-inch wheels down here to feed the balls from our hopper. Curved ramp made out of polycarb zip tied to some standoffs. An 8-degree angle shot, pretty much optimal for having your bumper directly up in front of the hub. Once we get past the bar, it'll hinge that part and snap back. We'll be able to climb.
Hinges on the inside go up and down. So one of them can go up to hang onto a bar and the other one can go down. There will be a hook mounted on the top level and at the very bottom of the level.